Informatics Officer and Technical Director, National Informatics Center, posted at DC office, Yamunanagar presently. We have recently implemented the e-office project in the DC office and the whole of the district. E-office is a workflow-based electronic movement system. It has already been implemented in many of the states also, and recently Haryana has taken up. So this electronic file movement system has been taken up. It comes with all the features of existing manual system and includes the diary of document to the archival of records. Means all these steps which are taken in the manual system are taken up in the software.
We are very much aware of what e-office is.
Yes, sir.
Don't talk about its features. I've used e-office, so don't tell us what e-office is. Tell us about the unique things about your implementation and how you have convinced the stakeholders to move over to the new application.
Right, sir. Then I will talk of the implementation strategy we adopted and how it happened. It has been implemented in Haryana in a batch mode, from taking 3 batches from 0 to 3 and being monitored by the Digital Cell Haryana. It began with batch 0 at first in the month of November, which included all the offices and branches of the DC office. And all the departments and offices in the district were divided into 4 categories from 0 to 3. And in batch mode, we had taken up one by one. In the very beginning, we took batch 0 and started with it. Then Yamunanagar was ranked first in the state in implementation of batch 0 office and remained on the top as on weekly basis. It was taken up by the Digital Cell Haryana, and they released the reports, MIS reports. So we had done at the first. Yamunanagar district was appreciated on the occasion of Governance Day, Good Governance Day celebration on 25th December, as we started in on 1st November, and within about 1.5 months, we had completed the job of implementation in the batch 0 in the DC office. So it started with the exhaustive data collection of all the employees of the DC office and all the departments. Parallelly, we started. The government email IDs by name were to be created, though the department had the email IDs of government, but by name EIDs are required in e-office, as we all know. Then file heads got created for each and every office. The master data was entered, and organization structure, post delegation, role assignment, and hierarchy, while name a few. Then taking the approval, closing, and parking rights from the HOTRUN, as the HOTRUN is also involved, and the backend is with the HOTRUN. Exhaustive training sessions were conducted with all the stakeholders. Repeat training sessions for the master trainers and the officers of the departments were conducted. Then to review this, the implementation of e-office, a district level review committee was constituted for periodic review under the chairmanship of the additional deputy commissioner. With this, we of course were the members. Then department level monitoring units, DPMUs, were created in the departments and offices of the DC office to monitor the internal progress of e-office implementation regarding the training of their staff, creating their data and worksheets, and all the things which were to be sent to HOTRUN and getting feed it into the software, e-office software, as the master data. Now, why e-office? Uh, in the manual system, as we know, high paper consumption is there, and as per the study, an average document is copied, photocopied 19 times, and it get doubles in 3.5 years. Extra space requirement, lot of extra space requirement is there. The study says it get doubles every 3.3 years. Extra staff requirement for 12 filing cabinets means one employee is required when the 12 cabinets are filled. Then more retrieval time because it is a manual system, sir.
I think what you need to focus is what you achieved through this going for e-office. No, what are the, crux of the entire thing? E-office process. We know this is how automation is done. No,
Sir, I'm telling the same thing. The part. This is part of the achievement. Like
what after e-office? No, what you achieved actually through e-office. We'll be more interested in that.
sir,
Now you tell me how much time average on an average it is taking. I mean, that we will like to hear more.
Mr. Arvinder, we have been using e-office for a very long time and we know it inside out of what e-office and its benefits are.
Yeah.
Fine, sir.
I think that's not a point to be even talked about. What we are interested in, what you have implemented, what are your results and what are your outcomes. So that is what we are interested in knowing.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Actually, it started with DC office, then what I told. And in the beginning, we took the whole data and master data created. Then in batches, we had started training. First of all, we trained our own 4 junior programmers to as master trainer and took the training first from the Heartron to get ourselves trained first. Then we tested in our few branches after collecting the data and getting the email IDs created and all. Then we trainers and myself and some colleagues, we tested the data and tried a pilot in our DC office with junior programmers, the concerned persons in the those branches. Then after going through all this process, then we implemented the same in the other branches and started training of the whole district first. Then we saw that it didn't work. Then we called department by department, the master trainers, the head of the department, and other stakeholders in that office. And those were trained bit and byte of the software. Some of the files were live files were done on that system and entered in the system and trained them on the live files also. Then after the department-wise training and office-wise training, we had to face various challenges like hardware is not available. We are not able to scan the files, scanning is slow, and so on. Then we took each and every branch one by one and solved their hardware problems because at a stretch, a lot of hardware cannot be procured and all. Infrastructure cannot be brought in a day. Then with the present available resources, we tried to manage the things and implemented branch by branch, taking our junior programmers and allotted the branches to them. And at the back end, we also took the problems taken up with the Heartron team, whether it is a development problem or roles to be assigned to the concerned person, email is to be created, then it took up with the NIC Chandigarh to get it done. Whosoever has not got their email IDs created, get their forms filled and signed and all that. All those processes were taken up for each and every employee. Their data filled up. There are a lot of parameters in the employee master data table. role assignment, post assignment, designation assignment. So all those activities in e-office were done for each and every employee, and we had taken every branch one by one. We used to visit to the branch whether they are facing any problem. Then we had every in the day in the morning. We used to meet with the city magistrate, all junior programmers, me, and we meet in the morning to discuss the problems faced during the day or the progress we have achieved during the last day. Then and up to particular that day cumulatively. Then that way we taking up every day these activities, we could achieve this thing within the 1.5 month. And this was the target given by the Honorable CM Haryana to implement the batch 0 DC office at least before the Good Governance Day. So Yamunanagar was the first to achieve the target and was appreciated on the Good Governance Day celebration. Then after that, we divided the departments. Though the departments were divided into 3 batches by the Digital Cell Haryana, so they were taken one by one, and they again started taking up with each department by the junior programmer, our team, and me directly. Then now the thing was more challenging, as data was not to be fed by our team in the employee database. Now the data of those departments was to be fed by their nodal officer at the state level, and the file heads and other things were to be created by the state heads and the concerned department. So we started taking up with every department daily their progress, their problems. Then in some of the cases, we had to even talk to the state heads and state nodal officers and state officers to get the jobs done. The data entered into the software so that their department is computerized, and we achieve our goal. So then Digital Cell Haryana gave the target of 5 files per day, per week, per user. Then meetings were taken of all review meetings were taken, and all were apprised of to get into the e-office and start using e-office. Then the people raised many problems. I'm not able to do like this or this. So in every meeting or on daily basis, the problems were taken and resolved.
No. I think let's be very, very focused. How long did it take for you to implement in your district?
Pardon, sir?
कितना टाइम लगा आपको implement करने के लिए?
So it took 2 months to implement for batch 0, and along with we started for other departments also. Now we have implemented for the whole district, all the departments.
तो कितनी देर से चल रहा है ये? How long it is running?
Sir, we started in November 2020, and till date we are at a very good pace. We are working.
No. So how many percentage files आपकी archive files कितनी गई हैं? आपने कितनों को scan करके पूरा electronic कर दिया है?
Sir, whatever document is received, if it is linked to the archive files.
I'm asking a very specific question. I'm asking for the archival of the old files which are there. How many files, how much percentage files have been made into e-files?
Sir, almost 20-30% of the files have been taken up.
20-30%. Based on whatever.
Even more than that, because I have not reviewed again on the archive files.
Because that is very, very important, number one.
Yes.
Number two, is the finance department also there on this particular thing? Have they accepted it?
Yes, sir. Accounts department is in line with all the other departments. The files goes to the accounts officer and all.
So all the financial approvals are also being given on the e-file?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Earlier we were, I would like to bring to your notice that earlier we were using the files, taking the files in hand and going to the AO and then to the city magistrate, then to the, the whole process. And
Okay.
now I feel
No,
personally.
I'm just asking some specific question. How
Fine, sir.
many paper files are still moving?
Sir, the very appreciable decision taken by the London Deputy Commissioner was that no manual file will be accepted. Only due to this we could achieve, sir.
Listen, there is a difference between a decision being taken and conveyed and what is happening on the field. My question is, in spite of that decision, how many paper files are still there on the field?
Sir, only those papers which are to be ink signed, like checks and other things, except that all the files are in DC office and departments are on e-office. Departments are still in progress. Their files are not 100%. The departments in the district. But DC office is completely on e-office, sir.
My question is only how many are still on paper. देखिए ये 3 महीने 4 महीने 6 महीने का काम नहीं है. It takes fairly long time to make people accept this, and it doesn't happen just by district collector issuing a notice or saying that no, this will happen. Because I've seen these notices being issued right from the minister to the secretary of the department in the central ministries, and still taking months and years to get implemented. So in case you have done, I think that is good. But please monitor these things, what I've told you.
Right, sir. But I assure you that we have achieved more than 95% of the files.
That's very good. That's very good.
Right, sir.
Good. Madan Mohan ji, आपके पास कुछ question हो?
It's okay. No questions. Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.